All right, this is a review of a 22 Brute with the Briggs & Stratton 9.5, 9.5 208cc engine. I'm splitting, I don't know, probably about a 20 to 22 inch oak log. All right, I'm gonna start it up. Overall, I've used it about a day and split about 4 trees that were about 20 inches around, and I would say it's been really good. I'm really happy and impressed with it. I had looked at the much larger 37 ton, and this 22 ton has been great. All right, shut it off.